education has evolved over the centuries, following the historical, economic, and political development of Indonesia's society. Indonesian education is the line with the growth and development of kingdoms in the archipelago and also the entry of major religions in Indonesia such as modern Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam. However, the development of modern education in Indonesia began with the entry of Western colonial nationals into Indonesia. After Indonesia independent, the government continued to develop education nationally through the Republic of Indonesia. Factor affecting curriculum change. The curriculum change are often influenced by a political factor. For example, the 1964 curriculum was designed to elementary monopoly use that the 1975 curriculum was designed to include Pancasila. The 1975 curriculum was used to include, and the 1984 was used to include the subject of national struggles history education. The 1994 curriculum in additional to elementary PSB subject was also to introduce a high school curriculum, the Mother General Education, a preparatory education for children. The first curriculum used in Indonesia occurred 1947, which became known as the 1947 curriculum, or better known as the 1947 lesson plan. The established educational principle is Pancasila because it was integral to the Revolution War. The 1947 lesson plan was only implemented in 1950. Number 2, 1952 curriculum. Historical, the 1952 curriculum was the result of refinement of the previous curriculum, which was named the 1952 Unrelated Lesson Plan. The birth of the 1952 curriculum was inseparable from the history of the birth of the 1947 curriculum. It could even be said that 1952 curriculum was really renewal of the 1947 curriculum was in the forest. Educational as that applied as the operational. Number 3, 1964. The main idea of the 1964 curriculum, which were characteristic of the curriculum, were that the government wanted the people to receive academic knowledge for profession at the elementary level, so that learning was controlled. On the program, namely moral, intelligence, emotional, artistic, skill, and physical. Pancawardhana education from human who are physical and spiritually harmonious. Education is not only to train the body, but also to train the ability to think, explain, namely moral, intelligent, emotional. Number 4, 1968 curriculum. The author of the 1968 curriculum was political. It reflects the 1964 education plan, which was imaged as a product of the old order in terms of additional objective. The 1968 curriculum aims the education is applied in efforts to form a true, strong, and physical health. Pancasila means enhancing intelligence and physical skill, moral character, and religious beliefs. The context of educational plan which image. Number five, the Number 5, the 1975 curriculum leads to an effective and efficient education. Methods and teaching methods are detailed in the International System Development Producer or PPSE or No Isolation. This was later gave the rise to a number of criticisms from implementers. In the first methods, material and teaching objectives are detailed as subject unit. Each unit of study is broken down into general, instructional objective or TUU, specific instructional objective or ECTE, subjective or method learning and tools. Number 6, the curriculum 1984 curriculum was heavily influenced by the humanistic school, which views study as the individuals who can and want to actively search for themselves, explore, and research the experiment in this curriculum. The position of study is placed as a subject of study, carrying out the skill approach process, although prioritizing the process approach. The goal factor is import from observe something, grouping to discuss to report. This model is called Student Activities Learning or CIL. This curriculum is based on the view that Number 7, 2104. The 2019-94 curriculum that has been in effect so far continues to be less approaches to meet the demands of the times. The 2019-94 curriculum, which has been education in really has not had an impact on progress. Even though the concept of the 1994 curriculum based on activities study learning methods or CBSE is number 8. Number 8, 2006. KBK has not been in effect for too long and has not been fully implemented implemented in school, especially in intense border and coastal areas. There are events schools that have not had the opportunity to carry out socialization on KBK. Then the government replaced it again with the education unit level curriculum. KTSP is an education unit level curriculum that is developed according to the educational unit school relation, potential school relation, character, social culture, local community, and student characteristics. School and school or madrasah community and madrasah community develop. The educational unit level curriculum or KTSP and syllabus based on the basic curriculum from world and graded component stands. KTSP complaint and development by each additional unit can vary from one school to another because it is adapted to the characteristic. Number 9. 2013 curriculum. The 2013 curriculum is an integrated company and character-based curriculum which is a refinement of the education unit level. In other words, the implementation of the 2016 curriculum is part of continuous the development of competency-based curriculum or KBK, which includes attitude, knowledge, and skill comprehension. And then Kurikulum Merdeka. Kurikulum Merdeka is part of a new policy established by the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia. According to Snadi, curriculum policy related to independent learning must be made an initial breaking through to educational before this is conveyed or applied to students. The Merdeka curriculum is one of the curriculum concepts that demonstrates independence for students. Independent in the sense that each learning is given to the freedom to access knowledge obtained from formal and